Gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we also remain in negative MACD, but we did see it converge and we're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we have now dipped into negative MACD territory and slightly off of oversold condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $46.47. My sell target for it is at $49.34. My stop loss is at $45.50. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $50.17, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $47.49, and my stop loss is at $51.03. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 44% chance to climb between 0 to 4%, 11% chance to climb between 4 to 8%. To the downside, it has a 44% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.